any moment now.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Oh, spare me your sweetness, tabloid. If you wanted to talk down to someone, don't look to me. Look at them, it's so pathetic how they run to fetch their sticks. Sure, call me polemic, unsympathetic. At least I know other tricks. Look at me, Norseas, a debris on defective outcast. A frenetic, antithetic, a poetic little iconoclast, but I won't live in the past. I almost won this game once, you know. But history is arranged together, there's a win the glory. So realities change in the edits when they spin the story, and we choose to feel this pain, and we lose more than we gain. But I will break this cycle of mistakes, unlike all of these snakes whom I call to condemn. If I can't win the prize, I'll play this last reprisal just to bring their lies all to an end.
You need preparation.
Unfortunately, I don't have much faith in
that's
that process.
Of course.
Why? Of course not.
Believing yourself to be incapable of starting over and the morals that I don't know who you lost. But it's time to get them back.
Clear the slate out again. Are you hearing how preposterous that sounds? How do you not comprehend that for some of my monstrous background, the whole slate has fallen apart?
Talk, that's not true. There's others too. Oh my ass, I was just trying to only to push me, bitch.
But it's not it's they who dare to play this game so cruelly.
You know, man,
Who may base and uncool.
please think
I think they're too afraid to bear the bet they've made. Can't bring themselves to face the awful truth.
the truth.